Meaning of funding.
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 Funding. Funding refers to the act of providing financial resources, such as money, to support an activity or project. The purpose of funding is to enable the project or activity to proceed and be completed successfully. Funding can come from various sources, such as government grants, loans, donations, or investments. Without funding, many projects or activities would not have the resources to get off the ground or be sustained over time. Therefore, funding plays a crucial role in supporting innovation, research and development, social services, and many other areas that benefit society.